Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to achieve soft and manageable hair at home. So let's get started. First of all, you need an empty bowl like this one, and then I'm going to take 2 spoons of coconut oil into this bowl. The oil that I'm using here is Parachute Advanced Aloe Vera hair oil. It has both aloe vera and coconut oil, which helps in achieving super soft and smooth hair. As it already has aloe vera gel in it, you don't need to add it separately, which is like a bonus. Now take 1 spoon of yogurt, which adds luster to the hair. Now stir this mixture properly. This mixture is extremely beneficial to those who have rough hair and has lost its shine. It helps in getting extremely silky and smooth hair along with the necessary moisture that our hair needs, especially in winters, as our hair tends to become really dry in winters. So this mixture is really good for the hair. And now when the mixture is ready, make a center parting and divide your hair into 2 equal sections. Now take the bowl and a cotton ball, dip the cotton lightly into the mixture and start applying it on the parting in dabbing motions. Press the mixture into your scalp so that it may be absorbed properly. And then keep on taking partings from all over the scalp so that the mixture can be absorbed into the whole scalp. Now start massaging in circular motions with the help of tips of your fingers. This helps in improving blood circulation and hence stimulates the hair growth. Also apply the mixture all over the length from root to tip. And again massage your scalp with circular motions for a minimum of 5 minutes. Tie your hair into a top knot and wait for 45 minutes, and then you're gonna wash your hair with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. So here are the results. It made my hair so manageable that now I can make any hairstyle easily. And I hope you can see this beautiful sheen in my hair, which is just amazing. I just love this simple DIY and would definitely ask you to give it a try, because with regular use you're gonna have extremely soft and smooth hair that everyone loves to have. All the other details are in the description bar below, and I hope you enjoy watching. Bye!